Whimsicat. This is our project for today. This is it was advertised as a bookshelf. However, I think it was the top of a hutch. But I paid $10 for it. It's real wood and it's in great shape. So my thoughts are I am going to paint it and distress it, give it a very farmhouse look, and I'm gonna add legs to it. I've ordered some legs off of Amazon, 6-inch legs. So we'll see how that looks once they arrive. But we're gonna go ahead and get this painted. It's got good bones. I'm still trying to decide if that little rail there, I should remove it, but I really can't find an easy way to accomplish that besides maybe taking my jigsaw, and then I think it'll damage the shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it as is, and if I still don't like that little rail, then I'll remove it before we do the second coat. But hopefully this is gonna be a short and quick video for a Friday and give you some information and give you a little bit of entertainment along the way for your day. So stay tuned, we're gonna get started painting.
Okay, let's get this project painted. We are using Dixie Belle's chalk paint in the color Fluff. I really love this crisp white color. I believe it has some blue undertones, so it gives it just a beautiful finish that I think is perfect for the farmhouse style I'm trying to achieve. And for the first time, I am using a foam roller to apply the paint. I've been wanting to try this technique, and I thought this project was perfect because it has a lot of just flat, straight surfaces that was just perfect for a roller. And I loved it. It cut my paint time in half, and the finish turned out almost flawless. Now, obviously, I did have to use a brush to get into some of those corner areas and some detail work, but you know, that's to be expected. But I still really loved using the roller, and I plan on using it again in future projects. But let me know if you've used a roller. I'd love to know your comments and your thoughts on how you thought the finish looked after you used a roller.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars.
Okay, we have the second coat on, and I think it turned out really nicely. You can see I didn't do a perfect job on the paint, and that was intentional since we're going to heavily distress this piece. We're going to take the mouse sander with a 220 grit sandpaper, and we're just going to go around all the edges where you would naturally see some wear and tear, but you'll also see on the sides I hit it pretty heavily as well. I really wanted it to have an aged, distressed look to really, you know, be that farmhouse piece that you would expect to see. Then we're going to put a top coat on this piece because this is chalk paint, so we have to top coat it. I use, for pieces like this, typically the Polyvine wax varnish. I just like the way it performs, and I put it on with a blue sponge, a round sponge, because that just allows me to quickly put it on and get a really good finish. I don't typically get streaks, and it's really very fast. Okay, before we see the finished project, here's the before again. And now, are you ready for the final reveal? I am so pleased with how this little bookcase turned out. It looks very farmhouse to me. I got a really good distress on this piece all over. and I put legs on the bottom. They're 6-inch legs I ordered from Amazon, and I think it just really elevated it a bit. And you can see I've already staged it in my booth. I paid $10 for it. We're going to try to sell it for $95. Well, I hope you liked this video today, and if you did, I hope if you haven't subscribed, you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and then that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really do enjoy these videos and sharing this with you. Have a great day. See you soon.